Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video, guys. For today's video, I'll be making sliced fish. All to cook up sliced fish. Oh my god, if you guys want to see that, stay tuned. Also, throughout the video, I'll be sharing with y'all how to get rid of the fishy scent. Don't you hate when you cook fish, shrimp, or any seafood for that matter, the place will smell up? Place starts smelling like the ocean. So I'm gonna share with y'all how to get rid of the scent. I wish I'd known this earlier, but I'm here to share with y'all. So stay tuned throughout the video. I'll be sharing little tips here and there, and also a little tip at the end as well. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification. Don't forget to turn on your post notification so you get every time the girl uploads a new video, which is every Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays for the newbies. And for all these returning back to my channel, you don't know say you're awesome. You don't know say you're awesome. Okay, guys, I definitely enjoyed this video. Want y'all to enjoy this too? Leave me a comment, like this video, share, and then all of the above. Y'all don't know. Share with a friend. Share with a friend. Get this channel to grow, okay? Get this channel popping. Because your girl is popping over here. Okay, guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. Oh, wait. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Snapchat. Instagram and Snapchat. You don't know, okay? You don't know. Alright guys, let's get into this video. Lego, bye. Alright guys, this is how we are going to prepare this sliced fish. So right here I have the fish soaking in some milk. Every time, I don't know about y'all, but every time I cook fish or raw seafood or whatever, the house smells like the ocean. So I just looked up how to kind of get rid of the seafood scent. So they said put it into some milk. I was like, oh, I got milk, I could do that. So I just put it in some milk, put it in the fridge to let it soak up in there. So hopefully that works. So also, I'm going to open up the door to let out all the scent, because that mess be lingering. I didn't even want to make this. I was like, damn, I forgot that fish be leaving a scent. But I already got it thawed out. I already got it prepared. I got to make it somehow. I can't just have it in my fridge forever. Still got to make it. So there you go. Hopefully this works. We shall see. So for the seasoning, y'all know be using the same seasoning, the chicken spice, and I got my all-purpose. Y'all can get these two at international grocery store or the aisle. If not, you can use regular all-purpose seasoning and chicken flavor seasoning. And you don't know my Everglades seasoning. I got some black pepper and the infamous adobo. It's been so long, but here she is. There you go. Got me some adobo in the hizzo. So I got me y'all already know what I be using. Bell peppers. I got piece of onion and piece of tomato. So that's all I'm using, because I'm just making two little pieces. I really don't need that much. And I got some flour over here to coat my fish. I'm gonna coat it first before I fry it. Okay, and that's the oil I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna just throw off this milk off of this fish and rinse it off, and then put my seasoning on it, and I'm gonna throw my flour on it. So come back Alright guys, so I just rinsed off the milk, some of it. Before I added the milk, I cleaned it with some vinegar first. Then I rinsed that off and then I added the milk. So now I'm gonna just add the seasonings on top of this. Well flavor, make sure you're well seasoned up. Oh, not too well seasoned. Not too much, but just enough. I'm going in with my black pepper and my adobo. Ooh, this adobo be dropping everywhere. All right, so I'm just pat these on. Pat it on, flip it over. Flip this thing over. I'm using my other hand for this shit. All right. I'm just putting a little bit of extra seasoning on it because I'm not going to season my flour. I'm not going to season up my flour, so yeah. I'm just going to pat this on and then I'm just going to pour some flour into this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And after you can soak this if you want to. Let me rinse my hand first. You can let this marinate overnight or a couple hours after you let it soak in the milk. You throw the milk off and you put your seasoning on it. Then you put it back in the fridge so it can marinate. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of flour. I just want to coat the fish before I fry it. I'm just close these up. And guys, I got my oil heated up. Make sure, because you don't want to cook your fish in cold. You don't want to put it in cold oil. You want your oil to be well hot. Hot like tamale. Alright, hold on. So I got that going. So I'm just going to press the flour into this. And this is gonna help give it it's gonna help thicken your gravy as well. Alright, so I'm gonna bring it over to the stove and we're gonna fry this thing up. And I gotta go open my door so I can let out all of that. And I'm gonna turn on the vent. So I probably won't talk that much during that section because the vent gonna be loud. So yeah, I'm gonna try everything I can just so this thing not in the scent. Okay? Alright, yeah. Alright guys, so I opened the door. My oil is ready. I'm gonna turn on my vent when I put this thing in first. So here's the fish. I'm gonna drop them in. Ooh. Oh yeah. Ooh. Alright guys, so I'm gonna turn on the vent. I'm gonna let this cook. And then I'm gonna come back when I flip them over and stuff. I'm gonna cut up my veggies for y'all. And I'll be right back. There you go. Alright guys, so while the fish cooks, matter of fact, it's cooking on high right now. So I'm gonna cut up my veggies. I'm just gonna cut them real thick. I'm not really worried about the size. I'm gonna give them a healthy cut in. There you go. Ooh. Alright. Let me know what y'all like to put with y'all fish. What do you season it up with? Like this is just my go-to. Like I use the same. If y'all use the same things that I use, your thing will come out perfect all the time. Alright, so that was quick. There you go. I cut down the vent just so y'all can hear me talk right here. So I'm gonna cut it back up so my fish can finish cook. Woo! Now I'm not gonna turn it up so my fish can finish cook. I'm gonna turn it up so it can absorb all the scents. Okay, my fish. Duh, Lego. Alright guys, so I'm gonna flip these over. Because right now, remember I told you I'm cooking it on high, so it doesn't take long to change color. It doesn't take long to brown up. So I'm going to flip this over. Alright, so I'm going to let that finish up growing up on the other side. And then we'll be right back. Yay! Alright guys, so I'm gonna throw off some of this oil and then we are gonna fry the veggies. Alright guys, so I'm gonna add my veggies. I just threw off some of the oil. Oh, hold on. So I'm going to just put a little bit of Everglades seasoning in here. Remember guys, to always season up your veggies. I'm going to cover that. You want those to be flavorful as well. So put a little bit of seasoning on it. Hold up, wait a minute. Alright guys, so I'm going with 1 cup of water. And I'm going to add a little bit of chicken stock in there as well. Right now my temp is on medium. Ooh, this looks so good right now. Like, y'all don't even understand. Y'all don't understand. 1 cup and my leftover chicken stock from when I made my Bila Smackalicious sauce. And I'm going with some ketchup. Y'all don't know ketchup in everything. If you don't have ketchup, I don't want it. Ooh. Oh yeah, just mix this around, let it come to a boil. And then we're gonna add the fish up in there. Okay, up in there, up in there. And if y'all want a little more color, you could add browning. You definitely add some browning in there if you want. A little more up. You want the color to be a little more up, but I think I'm fine with this color. Guys, I'm pairing this up with some rice and peas the easy way. If y'all haven't seen how I made my rice and peas yet, please go check out those videos. Which video will that be? There's a lot of them. Check those out. Simple rice and peas over there, so you can pair this up with some boiled dumpling. For sure, boiled dumpling, yes. Well, some plain rice Yeah, pretty much anything. Like the bami I made, last video or whenever video I made it, you pair that up with some fried bami. Like I told you, you can pair that up, fried fish and fried bami, yeah? And if you have festival, yo, the thing sell off. Sell off if you got some festival. See how this look good already? See if I can zoom up more up in there. All up in there. All up in there. Oh, this looks so good right now. Jesus, when you can cook, you can cook. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Praise the Lord. I saw the light. Yes. Alright, I'm gonna let this boil a little. You know what? I can put my fish in there. Because I want my fish to cook completely. I want my fish to cook through completely. So I'm gonna just add them in there. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Throwing all the juice back in there. So yeah, I'm gonna cover it up, put it on medium, and leave it. Leave for like 5 to 10 minutes and then it's done. Done. So come back. Alright guys, this is the finished result. Ooh, this looks so good right about now. Yes, I'm gonna plate it up and let y'all see with the rice. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna plate it up for y'all. Y'all already seen the fish. Ooh, you see that? Yummy in my tummy. And I made a pot of rice. Let me take these scallions out. You already know, you gotta take these out. Ooh, put that over there. And there you have it. Nice flaky rice. You know what, let me stop showing y'all this part. I didn't show you how to make it, but y'all need to go check out my other videos so you could see how I made this. It's real island style dinner. Let's put this on that. If y'all know, I don't really like too much peas in my rice. So the less peas it have, the better for me. So this look good. Ooh, that look good up. Yo, the rice came out perfect. Ooh, let me zoom in. There you go. Let me drop this fish. Ooh, so soft. Ooh, Jesus, yes. Just the drizzle over it. Ooh. If Jah is standing by my side. Woo! Yo, Sunday did not turn up. Y'all can tell me this not look good. This no look good, this look good up. Alright, I'm so crazy. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. Let me know if y'all enjoy this little video, this little recipe. Whoop whoop, sliced fish and rice and peas made easy. Bye guys, catch you on the next one. Alright guys, so I just had to come back on here at the end and let y'all know what I did to get rid of the scent completely. After I did the milk and the vent and open up the door and all that good stuff, I put on a pot of what they call it, Fabuloso. I put on a pot of Fabuloso so the scent could circulate around the house. Could circulate around the house to get rid of all of this fishy scent. And I must say it did work. All of the things that I did combined did work. Like the scent wasn't strong at all. Then when I did the Fabuloso, the Fabuloso just basically topped it off. Like it just smells like, whew, nice clean house, like I just did some Labor Day cleaning. So yeah, so y'all, now y'all know what to do when you cook your fish, so you can get rid of that stinky fishy scent. Okay guys, so this is the end of it. I just had to come back on here and let y'all know the last step with the fabuloso. Right now my temp is on, I added on medium because I want it to just slowly just bubble. And I added a little bit of water. I added water in it because I ran out of fabuloso. I only had a little bit of fabuloso, so I just add some water in it to stretch it. You don't know what's the water in it, I need to stretch it out. Alright guys, bye. Lots of love, bye.